What's up? It's the 1B, and we're going to do some more video editing, and it's going to be in Adobe Premiere Pro, and we are going to be doing it on Kentucky Route Zero. I have a playthrough from Twitch that I'm trying to get over to YouTube, and let's go ahead and get into the right folder here. Whoops. Part 7. Select that folder, and we're going to go ahead and say Kentucky Route 0 dash Part 7. We'll click OK. Go into this folder and pull out Part 7. I believe it's Part 7. Let me just double check that. That one was 140. This one was 58. Let me just double check here. Part 6, yep, 9, 10. So this will be episode 11. Go ahead and pull that down into projects. Part 7 there. Then we're going to go into video editing. And this is what we're going to pull out my YouTube end screen. Pull this into the timeline. I'm going to go ahead and delete all the extra tracks. Then we're going to... This is basically going to be one video. Whew, it's warm in here. Let's go ahead and zoom in just a little bit here.
I shouldn't have left it running, but whatever.
Oh, I left it running from the last time.
Whatever. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go ahead and stop somewhere in between this let's go. Let's go ahead and drag this up. Zoom that in.
Let's go.
We'll cut it there. Hit that Shift Delete.
Let's go.
Alright, and then we're going to just
Get my chat ready so I can see.
say let's go, and then I go do a bunch of other junk when I'm done. Numbskull.
One thing.
Jeez, slamming the doors. Alright. We're just scrubbing our way through just to make sure that there's no points that are not gameplay.
Around the edge there. There's an island or something. Look closely, you can see some wood scraps from the old canoe rental shop. I think some desks and chairs swirling around the edge there. Closely, you can see some wood scraps. Hold on. The edge there. There. All right. Navigate around it like it was an island or something. Look closer, you see some wood scraps from the old canoe rental shop. Navigate around. Navigate around. Navigate around it like it was an island or something. Look closer, you see some wood scraps from the old canoe rental shop. I think some desks. It's okay. It will be an adventure. Shannon's stairs. Here we go. Up the stairs. Here we go. End of Act 4. At least there's an end. There's an end. End of Act 4. At least there's an end.
What do you know? More distractions.
Highly disappointing. I need to scratch my back. 1 second. I'll be right back. Highly disappointing. Highly disappointing. I need to scratch my back. 1 second. I'll be right back. Whatever. My brother called, but now he's not answering. I couldn't find the back scratcher, so I had to improvise. I can't believe how this ended. I can't believe how this ended. Like, that's so disappointing. All right, let's at least take a look to see when the next one's supposed to be. Kentucky. Let's see what we got here. Doing early 20. Teasing string of weird art house videos. Come on. No way. 5 years? It's supposed to take 5. What are they talking about, TV edition? Come to us to clear with you all about that, as we're totally in a perna on his allow us to finish the game with console work now. All right. Screw him. At this point, I don't care. They screwed up. I don't want to play their game. Screw them. Bye. Bye, stupid game. All right, Kentucky. Screw them.
All right, so now we have it all cut up here. We're going to go ahead and throw in this end screen. We're going to go ahead and select it. We're going to increase the volume on that though. Hit that 15. And then we will, that's pretty much it. We can Control S it for the save. Control M for the export settings. I think this is episode 11, yep. Kentucky Route, where's this at? Part 7. Episode 11. Save. Q. Open up Adobe Media Encoder. And then once I hit this button, we'll start the last encoding process of Kentucky Route 0. These are currently being... These are, by the time you watch this video, they are going to be uploaded and ready to go. So, link will be below for that, and I will start this process here, and hopefully while I do that, you will go and watch some of my other videos. And I'll talk to everybody later. Peace.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.